Rome. The very name evokes a sense of grandeur and timelessness. The name alone conjures up images of gladiators, emperors, and epic battles that once took place in the mighty Colosseum, and a civilization that shaped Western civilization. The Roman Forum stands as a testament to the political and social heart of ancient Rome. Rome wasn't built in a day, and its centuries of history are layered throughout the city. From the early morning light that bathes its ancient structures to the bustling life that fills its streets today. It's a city that truly lives up to its nickname, the Eternal City. As the sun sets, the city transforms, blending the old with the new in a seamless tapestry of time. From the ruins of its ancient past to the vibrant energy of its modern streets, Rome is a city of contrast. Rome is a sensory feast. The sights, sounds, and smells of the city create an experience like no other. The aroma of freshly baked bread mingles with the scent of ancient history as you wander through streets where every corner tells a story, creating an atmosphere that is both intoxicating and unforgettable. Cafes spill out onto the streets, inviting you to sit and watch the world go by. Whether you're strolling through the cobbled streets, indulging in delicious pasta, or exploring hidden alleyways, or simply soaking up the atmosphere, there's always something new to discover in Rome. Rome has an undeniable magic that will stay with you long after you've said arrivederci. The memories you make here will linger, calling you back to its ancient streets and vibrant life. Prepare to be captivated by the beauty, history, and charm of Rome as we embark on a journey to discover the heart of this enchanting city. From its iconic landmarks to its hidden gems, Rome awaits. Let's start our journey through time by stepping into the Colosseum, an awe-inspiring amphitheater that once hosted gladiatorial contests and public spectacles. This iconic structure, built nearly 2,000 years ago, stands as a testament to the architectural prowess of ancient Rome. Imagine the roar of the crowd as gladiators clashed swords, their armor glinting under the sun, and the excitement that filled the air. The Colosseum could hold up to 80,000 spectators, all eager to witness the thrilling combats and dramatic reenactments of famous battles. The energy and anticipation were palpable, making every event a grand spectacle. Next, we'll wander through the Roman Forum, a sprawling plaza that was the heart of ancient Roman political, religious, and social life. This was where the pulse of Rome could be felt most strongly. Picture senators debating laws, their voices echoing through the marble halls, and citizens going about their daily business, engaging in lively discussions and trading goods. The Forum was a bustling hub of activity, where the fate of the empire was often decided. Temples dedicated to Roman gods and goddesses stood majestically, their columns reaching towards the sky. These sacred spaces were central to Roman religious life, where rituals and ceremonies were performed to honor the deities. Finally, no trip to Rome is complete without a visit to the Pantheon, a masterpiece of Roman architecture. Originally built as a temple for all the Roman gods, it has stood the test of time remarkably well. Marvel at its massive dome, which remains the world's largest unreinforced concrete dome to this day. The oculus at the dome's apex allows natural light to flood the interior, creating a mesmerizing effect as the sun moves across the sky. This architectural marvel is a testament to the engineering genius of the Romans, showcasing their ability to blend form and function seamlessly. Feel a sense of awe as you stand beneath its soaring ceiling, contemplating the ingenuity that went into its construction. These ancient wonders offer a glimpse into the grandeur and ingenuity of the Roman Empire, inviting us to reflect on the legacy of a civilization that has shaped the course of history. One of my most memorable experiences in Rome was simply getting lost in its charming Trastevere neighborhood. I stumbled upon hidden squares, dined at family-run trattorias, and soaked up the authentic Roman atmosphere. Another highlight was visiting the Vatican City, the smallest country in the world and the center of the Catholic Church. Standing in St. Peter's Square, surrounded by the grandeur of the Basilica, I couldn't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. Rome is a city that invites you to slow down, savor the moment, and appreciate the simple pleasures of life. It's a place where you can indulge in delicious food, get lost in ancient history, and create memories that will last a lifetime. While the Colosseum, Roman Forum and Pantheon are must-sees, Rome is also home to a treasure trove of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Escape the crowds and head to the charming neighborhood of Monte, known for its independent boutiques, vintage shops and cozy cafes. For a taste of ancient Rome away from the crowds, visit the baths of Caracalla, once a magnificent complex of baths, gardens and libraries. Explore the ruins, imagine the Romans relaxing in the thermal baths, and let your imagination transport you back in time. And for a truly unique experience, venture underground to the catacombs of Rome, an eerie yet fascinating network of underground tunnels that served as burial grounds for early Christians. These hidden gems offer a different perspective on Rome and reveal the city's hidden depths. Section 5. Navigating the Eternal City. Tips and tricks for travelers. Navigating Rome can be daunting, but with a few tips, you can make the most of your time in the Eternal City. This city, with its rich history and vibrant culture, offers endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. First, embrace the art of walking. Rome is a city best experienced on foot. The narrow, winding streets and hidden alleys are filled with surprises, from quaint cafes to ancient ruins. Rome is best explored on foot, allowing you to stumble upon hidden gems and soak up the city's vibrant atmosphere. Walking also gives you the chance to truly appreciate the stunning architecture and historical landmarks that are around every corner. Second, take advantage of Rome's efficient public transportation system, including the metro and buses, to get around. The public transport network is extensive and can save you time and energy, especially when traveling longer distances. Purchase an ATAC travel card for cost-effective travel. These cards offer unlimited rides on buses, trams, and the metro, making it easier to navigate the city without worrying about individual ticket purchases. Third, be prepared for crowds, especially during peak season. Rome is a popular destination, and its famous sites can get quite busy. Consider visiting popular attractions early in the morning or later in the afternoon to avoid the biggest crowds. This way you can enjoy the sights with fewer people around and have a more pleasant experience. Finally, learn a few basic Italian phrases. Knowing how to say simple things like hello, please, and thank you can go a long way in making your interactions smoother and more enjoyable. While most Romans in tourist areas speak English, a little Italian goes a long way in showing respect and enhancing your interactions with locals. It can also open doors to more authentic experiences and connections with the people you meet. Section 6. Roman Delights, a culinary journey through the city. No trip to Rome is complete without indulging in its culinary delights. Start your day with a traditional Roman breakfast of cappuccino and cornetto, a sweet pastry similar to a croissant. For lunch, savor a plate of pasta alla carbonara, a Roman classic made with eggs, guanciale, pecorino romano cheese and black pepper. In the evening, treat yourself to a pizza romana, characterized by its thin and crispy crust. And don't forget to indulge in gelato, a refreshing treat that comes in countless flavors. From traditional trattorias to Michelin-starred restaurants, Rome offers a culinary adventure for every taste and budget. Section 7. Fascinating facts about Rome, intriguing tidbits you didn't know. Did you know that Rome is home to the Trevi Fountain, the largest Baroque fountain in the city? Legend has it that tossing a coin over your left shoulder ensures your return to Rome. Another fascinating fact is that Rome has more than 900 churches, each with its own unique history and architectural style. From the grandeur of St. Peter's Basilica to the tranquility of Santa Maria in Trastevere, these churches offer a glimpse into Rome's rich religious heritage. And here's a fun fact for cat lovers. Rome is home to a colony of feral cats that live among the ruins of the Roman Forum. These cats are protected by the city and have become a beloved part of Roman life. Section 8. The magic of Rome. A timeless allure. Rome's magic lies in its ability to transport you through time. One moment you're strolling past ancient ruins, the next you're sipping espresso at a trendy cafe, and the next you're marveling at Renaissance masterpieces. It's a city that stimulates the senses, from the aroma of freshly baked bread to the sound of church bells echoing through the streets. Rome's beauty lies not only in its iconic landmarks, but also in its everyday moments. The way the sunlight bathes the cobblestone streets, the laughter of children playing in the squares, and the animated conversations of locals at cafes all contribute to the city's irresistible charm. Section 9 Conclusion. Your Roman adventure awaits. Rome is a city that will stay with you long after you've said, arrivederci. Its history, culture and beauty have captivated travelers for centuries, and its magic continues to enchant visitors today. Whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, a foodie, or simply someone looking for an unforgettable travel experience, Rome has something to offer everyone. So pack your bags, grab your walking shoes, and prepare to be captivated by the eternal city. Your Roman adventure awaits.